Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is what is happening in your life, what is going to happen in your love life, how are you feeling right now, what's going in your life in general, and how is your person feeling. We are going to look into detail, and this is for Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, this reading is for you, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Join us on Instagram, and friends, if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. And also, if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. So one person is selected every month. So yes, subscribe, like, and share. So let's see, earth signs, what is happening currently with you? How are you feeling? What's the theme energy for earth sign? Oh my god, earth signs. Oh my god, a new start is happening. You're definitely focusing on your money, your career. You are definitely focusing on a brand new start in your life. Some of you could be starting a new job, some of you could be starting a new career or education, going to colleges, universities. But at the same time, you are missing something. It is like all is good. You are excited with this new thing that's coming your way. This money, this new start. Like going back to offices, going back to colleges. Money is coming, work is moving, business is moving. But I am missing something. So, earth signs, you're missing somebody. You are missing a person, a lover, a soulmate. You definitely feel something is missing out of your life right now. You have everything, but just not what you want. It is that energy. It is that energy like you have all the beautiful cakes in the world, pastries in the world, but the one you want is not there. The chocolate or whatever you want isn't there. Six of Wands, definitely want to take action towards that person who is you are missing. You want to take action. You want to take charge of this situation. You don't want to feel like you don't want to stay in this energy where you are stuck or you are just missing them. You want to take action towards them, or you want to take charge of your life, of your career, your love life, work. I feel this is an overall energy in all areas of your life. You want to take charge. See, you doubted me. Love is not on your mind. See, love is on your mind. You are looking for this person. You are looking for this partnership. You want to take this partnership further. You want to be with this person, but I see like they are not in contact with you, or there is some slow pace happening. Something is happening. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You want a relationship. You are getting ready perhaps for being in this relationship, or you are you were not right now, you are not in contact with this person. You are in long distance relationship with this person, so you want to take charge towards them, earth signs. Let's see what else is happening. Also, you're looking for a right person, someone who can understand you, someone who can be with you. Let's see what is happening for earth signs, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Temperance, yes, you are trying to balance out your life. You are trying to work on your finances. You are trying to work on your partnership skills. You are trying to balance your life. You are trying to bring balance. You were somewhere, some things were stuck or out of balance. Now you are trying to balance things in your life, your work, your career. Nine of Cups. Ooh, so you are definitely, feeling happy. You're feeling content. What else is happening? Judgment. Ooh. So I do feel that, I don't know, you feel like someone is being very hard to you, someone is judging you, someone is being very harsh to you in the past or now. You feel like, this person will judge you. You could be dealing with a lawyer, a doctor, a healer, or somebody like that, a banker, someone very, someone very popular, or someone who is into social, public dealings. Four of Swords, you are waiting for things to move on. You are taking time out. I see that there are two main themes going on right now for earth signs, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You are taking your time to focus on your work, your finances, your education, and also at the same time you are taking some time off from your love life. You are resting, relaxing. You may be trying to meet people, trying to date people, but nothing is like this person that's missing out of your life, this connection. That it is somebody you had known in the past, or you are in long distance or no contact, or you had broken up with this person. I do see that offers are coming, but you are like, nah, it's not them, it's not them. And it feels like you want to be with this person, this Two of Cups person, but judgment, it feels like you feel this other person won't accept you. Justice, yeah. Justice. You feel like you have, you feel, yeah, like how to go back, how to bring this, how to go back to that person. What shall I do? How to bring justice to the situation? Maybe you guys were married and you are now parting, or you're going through a tough time. Someone is thinking of a divorce or something. Sorry to say, but none of you want this. I feel not both of you don't want this thing. At least not you, Earth signs. What is happening? Clarify the justice. Six, soulmate. You want to do right to them, Earth signs. You definitely want to do justice with them, and definitely you want this connection, or your love life to come in balance. You want to be with this person. They are your soulmate, you are their soulmate. So you are not happy. You are missing this person everywhere. When you work, you miss them. Even when you are successful, you miss them. You are looking for love. I've been looking for a heart of gold, but I don't know. I have seen it, but I don't know where it is. Strength in reverse. Somewhere you are taking a relaxed approach towards your love life. You may be dating, meeting people casually, saying hi, 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 but saying bye, bye, bye quickly also. So you are looking for this person, this past person. You're missing them. You want them. Hanged man, you're stuck on this person. You can't move out of the, you can't get them out of your head, your heart, your body, your mind, your soul. It's like this person is living inside you, Earth signs. Let me see who is this person, because now I'm curious. Let's see, Earth signs. If who is the Earth signs person and what is their theme energy? Who is the Earth signs person and what is their theme energy? All right. So this person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I feel like this person you are dealing with, there could be two people that you have some choices. Like I do see you casually dating people, but you want somebody else. You are not like, oh, this is not my cup of tea. I want this deep soul stirring love. So I feel like the person you are dealing with is somebody very passionate. They could be a visionary. They could be very attractive, very bold, very, very beautiful, and someone who has a lot of social presence. He or she might be a social worker, someone who is very popular, also a very kind person, a very giving person, someone who has a lot of depth, emotional depth. What's happening with Earth signs person? Chariot, yes, this person is also going places. They are taking charge. This person is very bold. The person you are dealing with, Earth signs, this person is bold. They are taking charge of their life, their career, their ambitions, and they are focusing there. I also feel you guys are in a long distance relationship. So this person is trying to I feel your person, Earth signs, is also trying to relocate or move somewhere, or it's on their mind. I also feel like this is a long distance connection, so they want to shift or relocate somewhere closer to you, or shifting, relocating, travel is on their mind. Three of Swords. This person is hurt. This person is hurt. I think hurt is a small word. They are mad because you judgment. You know this person is mad at you. They are like, ooh, they're the Queen of Wands. He or she is mad, literally, because I think I don't know what happened, but they are sad, they are hurt, or they are not ready to share their heart with you. Not yet. What is happening with the Earth signs person? What's happening? Five of Wands, conflict. Nope. This person is, if you talk with this person right now, they're gonna be a little argumentative. They're gonna be in their ego. Why this happened? Why that happened? I also feel this person is going through their own challenges with family, with work, or this person is quite powerful. So they try to lead, and that is causing them some troubles. Maybe with family, or maybe with your family also there is issues. Like this person is powerful, and people usually don't like powerful people, right? Or someone else is also, see, the King of Cups. Wow. So I do feel like this person is also going through some confusion. There may be other people in their life, but they are confused, like be with you or to, be with this person. Also, at signs, this person is confused whether to be kind or to be mad at you, whether to love you or whether to hate you. It's like they have mixed feelings for you right now. There is a lot of love, there is a lot of attraction, sexual chemistry, but at the same time, they love you a lot, they miss you a lot, this person, but they're like, oh, I hate you kind of energy also. Tower. Your person is going through some epic changes. I don't know what it is. What's happening? Clarify the tower. Ooh, transformation. If they were with anybody else, this thing is falling apart. If they were married, it's falling apart. If this person was egoistic, they are waking to their heart. If this person was stuck with family, friends, or something was, some other relationship, it's changing, it's transforming. Some major changes are happening in your person's life right now. What is yeah, oh my god, Queen of Pentacles. So I do feel like this person, your person, earth sign, is focusing on their money, focusing on their future. And I also feel like they are very ambitious, they are very career driven, they are very, very, career focused. 10 of Pentacles. I feel this person wants commitment and marriage with you. And if they, if they were not able to say this in the past, earth signs, they're gonna do it, because I feel they want change, they want to be with you, they want to marry you, they want to build a house with you, and something is changing in their life. 10 of Cups. So definitely this person is like, you guys are the ultimate power couples. Look at that. The home, the love, the ultimate marriage, the ultimate union of souls, the ultimate building of the home, the house, the family, kids, everything, money, home, everything. And this is merging of the soul, mind, and body. This person wants everything with you, earth signs. They are like, I want to give you my all, baby. Oh my god, and they are changing, they are changing. Something is changing here. I think you are also changing, they are also changing. So what's happening here? Yeah, maturity, stability. I think this person has been through emotions like, should they stay, should they love you, should they not love you, should they hate you at times, they love you at times. They are very, like, now they are coming out of that. Big changes coming in their life. So, what is happening in earth signs relationship? Okay. Whip. Ooh, 11. So this could be a twin flame connection for some of you. I also feel that both of you are feeling the burnt of this connection. If you guys have lost this connection, you both are missing it. You both are still connected spiritually, emotionally, and physically also, sexually also. I feel there is an intense connection between you and this person, even if you are in no contact, or you have not. I feel you have not talked with this person in a long time, 1 month, 1 year, or probably more. But you guys are in a very strong, this relationship is like a master teacher for you and this person. You both are learning something. This relationship itself is a teacher. The tree, yeah, change, positive change is coming, and I see it will lead to a path where you both will unite and build a beautiful house, an empire, a family of love, heart. Oh my god, perfect. Number 24. Look at this, you guys are headed towards a beautiful start. So don't worry, friends. Let's see what this person wanna say to our viewers. Let's see that. Oops. Let's see what this person wanna say to our viewers. Poised. Yeah, they are focusing on self-love, and that's what they want to do, and that's what they want to say to you. Like, that's the way ahead, like self-love. When they love themselves, they are loving you. When you are loving yourself, you are actually loving this person. So it is twin flames. Focus on self-love, focus on balancing your life, focus on balancing, imagine manifestations. Yes, dream connections are growing. Spiritually, your connection is growing. They meet you in dreams, they have intimacy with you in dreams. You may dream about this person, or they dream about you. Go the distance. This will be a long-term relationship. This is not something which will end. No, this is not the end. This, we are going to come out and go ahead from this. Rise above, rise above. Building blocks. Yes, I will be not surprised if you end up marrying this person somewhere down the line or in the future. You will, friends, you will, because all these cards are marriage cards. All this is intense energy. I do see either you were married to this person, even if you were again going to reunite. Very strong energy, very, very strong. So, what else? Let's see. Hmm. So, let's take some other cards. Which one shall we take? Let's take this one. Do they want to say anything to our viewers, earth signs? Their person want to say anything to them? Balance, number 14. You are the missing half. You guys complete each other. Look at this, the heart, the body, the soul. You guys are, mirrors of each other, twin flames, soulmates, deep love, spiritual union, mastered the devil, a lot of sexual chemistry. I think this is a phase where you both are trying to take care of your own life and become master of your own self. Like you are focusing on love, you are focusing on making your life better, removing any weaknesses in yourself, working on it. And I think this is something like you guys are obsessed with each other, even if you, and look at that 14 to 15 progression. So yes, and empress, yes, they want to nurture this connection. They're gonna be the husband and wife. They're gonna be there for you. And the throat chakra, they want to communicate with you. You guys have a mission. I feel you guys have a mission. This connection is very important. Some important truths have been not discussed yet, or something needs to be said. Some love messages, some deep truths will be said ahead, and that will start the new phase. I do see that no, but none of you want this connection to go away actually. Even though you may not be talking or you may be in separation, none of you want, you're both very addicted to each other. So you don't want this connection to end ever actually, and it won't end. I do feel that. So any advice or anything this person wanna say to you? Okay, let's see what they want to say, anything this person, earth signs person, want to say to them. Pandora's gift. I see this, look at the smile, look at the face of this girl, lady. She's very excited, and look at this higher chakras which are opening. I think they want to tell you this is a very deep connection. This is a spiritual connection. Things are changing. I don't know why music is a big connection here. They want you to listen to music. They want you to connect with spirituality, manifestations, law of attraction, receiving. Yeah, they want you to open your heart so that you can receive the love, all the love they have to give. There is a lot of love in this connection, a lot of love. And this is something special. I have never seen anything like this, where you guys are totally focused on your self-love. You and this, building your own life, because you both want each other. So what will happen? What will happen in the future? Focus on the light, focus on the good things in this relationship, focus on the best things about each other. Because if you keep fighting, even if you keep fighting with this person, it's not gonna go away. Even if you keep arguing with them or stay unhappy with them, this relationship isn't going. So it is better to focus on the good things, because that is why the good things will enlarge, amplify, multiply. So what is the advice for our viewers regarding this connection? Advice for our viewers for this connection. Ooh, inspiration. Wow, stay inspired, keep manifesting a bright future. Don't give up, earth signs. You still have a chance, and this connection can never be over. You are still very, very strongly connected. And once you guys are together, you will be an inspiration for others to follow. And look at that, the perfection of your life. Yes, you are making your life, important changes in your life you are taking, so that you guys can come together and you guys can become perfect with each other. So it is time. Yes, if you are focusing on your love, money, work and career, great things. Dream a beautiful dream. Oh my God. This is beautiful, earth sign. So keep dreaming, keep visualizing, and Happy living, and don't forget to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.